This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to create videos using Gemini. We'll start by understanding the platform's capabilities and then move into structuring your content effectively. You'll discover tools to enhance video quality and explore best practices for engaging your audience. This guide will help you produce compelling video content with ease, ensuring your message resonates clearly and professionally. Before you begin, thoughtful planning is crucial for a successful video. Clearly define your video's purpose and who you want to reach. Outline your main messages and include a specific call to action. Gather all your visual assets, such as images or data, beforehand. Aim for a video length that keeps viewers engaged, often around 2 to 5 minutes for online content. Now, let's dive into creation. Use Gemini's intuitive interface to generate your initial content. Seamlessly integrate visual elements and audio tracks to enhance your narrative. Take time to review and refine your script, ensuring every word contributes to clarity and impact. Once satisfied, export your final video in a high-quality format, ready for sharing with your audience. After creation, optimize your video for maximum reach. Add relevant keywords to improve discoverability on search engines and platforms. Select an engaging thumbnail image that captures attention and encourages clicks. Share your video across the most appropriate social media and professional platforms. Finally, analyze performance metrics to understand what resonates, helping you refine future video strategies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.